Okay, we're Team Coahuila, and in this video we're going to show you how we did our Goldberg machine. We're going to explain you all the physical phenomena we used, and you're going to be able to see them and how they were measurable by the program of Tracker, which we used. Well, we're going to explain also how we made them and every single aspect about this project. Well, now my teammates are going to present themselves and their abilities.
I'm Valeria, and the part where I felt most involved was in the whole construction of the project. And I tried to make everything functional and in a practical sense. I fixed the little problems that we had with every single thing here. And my weakness was that sometimes I got frustrated really quickly and I wanted to quit. But well, at the end, the part where I felt most effective was that I made sure that we had every tool that we needed to work with this project.
Hello, my name is Carlos. I think that the strength in this project is that I was very enthusiastic with all my teammates, and that I also put all my priorities in this project. The weakness that I got is that I didn't realize that it was such an important project at the beginning, and I wasn't interested in this project until I started to make it. The importance was valuable only until I started to work in this project. The things that I was most involved, it was in all the mechanical parts and all the using of tools. I was in the things that I was mostly involved. And I think that in that part I was very efficient, because I didn't knew that I was very efficient in that, but I developed well my job in this.
Hello, my name is José Aguilar, and well, in this project, I think my strength was to be the most persistent. I knew how to remain calm when needed, and my weakness was to not appreciate the work my teammates sometimes did. And well, also in the part I felt the most involved was in the designing part of the project, and I think I worked most efficiently with designing each part or each area, and for it to work physically correct.
Hi, I'm Padme. I feel that during this project, the stage or the part in which I felt the most involved was making everything look beautiful but also functional. I am a very kind of perfectionist person, so every time we wanted to make something, I try to make it look the most beautiful possible.
As we know today, the world is in the need to search how to solve the problem that the planet is having environmentally. So there is the need of solutions like building a sustainable city, which is the focus of our project. And we have to develop a sustainable city in a state or in a specific region, which it is Coahuila. But why Coahuila? Well, Coahuila is one of the biggest states in Mexico. It has renewable resources like the strong winds they normally have, the dry climate they have, and also the immense rivers they get allows Coahuila to be a good candidate. Also, the government is looking forward to build an independent, sustainable state or city, and it is one of the safest places in all Mexico, as well as all the industry that wants to get in this specific state.
We decided to use two renewable energies for our sustainable city. These are wind energy and hydraulic energy. Coahuila has a considerable wind flow and large rivers. Potential and kinetic energies were also key to making the Goldberg machine work.
During this project, we used several materials such as PVC, cardboard, plastic, paper, and wood. This variety of materials help us achieve several procedures in the correct way. It was complicated at first because we didn't know how to work with each one, and had to be creative on our ways to manipulate them, but we managed to learn quickly.
Okay, so the way our Goldberg machine works is that a little weight falls into a cup. That cup then pulls a string, which causes a ball to be released and make an horizontal motion. That horizontal motion then hits a cardboard, which activates 3 little sticks, breaking them from its inertia, and one stick hits a car that then hits another ball. That ball causes another uniformly accelerated motion, and then it falls into a pit. Then from the pit it goes to a pulley, which activates it, and from the pulley another golf ball is released, causing a chain reaction from cups and also making an uniformly accelerated motion. At the same time, the fan is working and it impulses 2 little balls, which then causes a chain reaction from the dominoes, making them one of the laws of the Newton laws. Then the other pulley releases another golf ball, causing the same motion, and then falls into a little cup. That cup then releases another ball, which also is making an uniformly accelerated motion. Then it goes down, hits a stick, causing another chain reaction, and finally hitting a little car, which creates another linear motion. And at the end, the little car hits a ball, which causes it to make a free fall. And from the free fall, it goes into a catapult, and the catapult finally makes a parabolic throne.
The energy transformations we use are physical phenomena were free fall, horizontal motion, uniformly linear motion, uniformly accelerated motion, parabolic throne, and Newton laws.